Jefferson Airplane bark. I had that record, but never knew that it exists in quite interesting packing, and recently I just stumbled upon it, and I would never even recognize it, but my friend told, look, it's Jefferson Airplane, and it's like paper bag wrapping. It smells old. Probably most of the time it's got torn and lost, but this record I really have in okay condition. It's kind of hippie art, outsider art drawings of the band members on wrapping, and comes with a kind of lyrics sheet versus poster in enclosure. So it's quite interesting piece of packing. It's actually more like art piece. Jefferson Airplane bark.